Have you seen ZZ plant bulbs? These are the bulbs of ZZ plant. I'm going to do a repotting today of the ZZ plant because the leaves of this plant turned yellow and I was wondering why. So I'm going to do a repotting and give you some tips at the same time. Look at this bulb of the ZZ plant. This is a small plant and look at the bulb. They grow from bulbs. And also friends, you can grow this plant by cuttings. Now here I have a cutting of this ZZ plant. You can grow them from cuttings of leaf, mature leaf or a stem. It should be matured stem. And they will produce bulbs like this. If they are under stress, they will start to yellow. These are the results of yellowing of leaves. Must be overwatering or fungi development. Now I'll have to check that and do a repotting, and I will share the tips with you as well. Now I'm going to wash these bulbs and the entire plant thoroughly. Give it a thorough wash. Okay. And after that, medium size plant, and I have taken 1/3 of garden soil, 1/3 of sand and a very little bit of cocoa peat. So now the soil preparation is done. Add the new cutting here. So at the beginning friends, you will have to add a little bit of water so that the moisture of the soil will help it root. That is the first thing. Next, removing of these yellow leaves is a must. Cut off the yellow leaves from the plant stems and put them away. They are not healthy. After that, you can put the plant back to your planter, and along with the small plants, I'm going to put the plant back and cover it with the soil. So now I have covered the stems with soil, and after that I'm going to give it a little bit of water since I have planted it just now, and after that you can keep it in a shady corner. I give water thoroughly today, wash the leaves as well. Now I have kept it among the other plants of the ZZ plant, and this is the mother plant. And from its cuttings only I put this in a separate planter. I got many baby plants. So these plants loves the shade, not the bright direct sunlight. So these are beautiful house plants. In Feng Shui, it is believed that this plant brings a lot of positivity, wealth, luck and fortune to your home. So this is a must-have plant in your garden. Even for a beginner, this plant is really very ideal because you don't have to water them on regular basis. This is a low maintenance and a permanent plant. So what I use as fertilizer are the coffee fertilizer and tea fertilizer. Sometimes I use vegetable peel fertilizer as well. All are liquid fertilizers. Sometimes I use coffee powder as well. They are high in nitrogen and that is really very good for the plant growth. So friends, today I did this repotting of the ZZ plant and I have shared some tips as well of growing this beautiful house plant, indoor plant, and one of the must-have plants for a beginner. So grow this plant. If you bring it from a nursery, do not go to overwater. That is very important. And also use turmeric as fungicide. So I hope these tips and tricks of growing this plant are very useful. If you find it useful, please do not forget to give it a big like and share it with your friends, those who love gardening. And if you are new, consider to subscribe. Thanks for watching.